Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Richard, and today I will share with you in YouTube how to connect a desktop version of Power BI to our SharePoint list. It has been a struggle for me personally for one whole year without any success until recently, which was yesterday. I learned from my colleague, Jake. He went through hoops and loops and eventually found out a way to easily hook up desktop version of Power BI to SharePoint list. So without further ado, let me share my screen. All right, so this is like a typical SharePoint list, and I will show you how the SharePoint list URL would typically fall into a pattern of SharePointList.com. And if you see that, it should be all right. However, most of the time, in many companies' URL of the SharePoint list, it may contain .mcas.ms, and that's the issue. So let's try it out first. What we will do first is to make sure we cut out anything after and including the list, delete, and also we will delete anything after the .com. So .mcas.ms, we will delete that as well. And this is my Power BI Desktop. Under the Get Data drop-down button, make sure you click on it, click on More, and we'll wait for the further menu to appear. It's a bit slow when I'm sharing my screen, so we'll wait for that. Hello? Okay, yep, now appear. So now let's click on Online Services. And at the very top of the Online Services menu, you should be seeing a SharePoint online list. Click on that and connect. Now, make sure you click on the implementation under version 2.0 and the site URL, paste it here. Make sure without the .mcas.microsoft, and anything that contain the list and beyond, just make sure we truncate that. Under the advanced option, select the default option. That should work. Now click OK. In here, make sure you pick the longest list, which is the specific project team or any subfolder that contain your SharePoint list. And then sign in with your own account. And so because this is gonna be my company access, so I will bring my screen away from sharing. So just give me a moment, I'll come back shortly. Now I will access with my actual account. So it's a bit slow. Online services, connect. Now I'll punch in my real URL. I cannot share it with you, I'm sorry. So just give me a moment. I'll come back very shortly. First, I need to sign in. .com, delete that. Okay. I'm having a fat finger mistake here, so I guess I'm doing a live recording, so I'm a little bit nervous. Come on. All right. Come on. It's a bit slow when I share my screen. Do you face that problem? It seems to be that every time when I'm in any meeting using Microsoft Teams, when I'm sharing my screen, the whole application, be it web-based in the cloud or desktop, everything is just going sluggish. Hey, Microsoft, are we able to do anything to get it resolved? Okay, I'm just about to sign in with my credential. So connect. By the way, during my last YouTube video about Power Apps, my goodness, it has been more than a year now. So now I've moved on to other company. I'm now with electrical generation company. It's awesome. All right, so I'm in now. So once I sign in, I cannot show everything to you because it contains my company data. So see, I'm now in already. How cool is that? Yeah, so just to recap here, make sure nothing with the mcas.ms. Make sure you authenticate that. And also delete everything, including the list and beyond. That's all it takes, pretty simple. Awesome. Thanks a lot. You're amazing and awesome. Bye. Cheers.